Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, No Salesforce. Today we will learn how to make enhanced view of profile like permission set. So this is the current view of profile, and here you can see its view for permission set. So if you want to make a view like permission set for the profile, then what are the things, what are the settings you need to do to enable the enhanced view for profile? For that, you need to click on this gear icon, then click on setup button. Then after, in quick find box, search for user management setting, which comes under user section. Then click on this user management setting. After that, in second box, below enhance profile list 2, you can see the option enhance profile user interface. So you need to enable this option. After that, come back to your profile and I will refresh my page. Here you can see now the profile view which look like permission set. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon for further videos.